The mechanical seal technologies can get pretty diverse too. I mean, from single mechanical seals, double mechanical seals, cartridge seals, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Do customers really understand, do you think, where they should be applying all of these different seal variations?
No, not at all. Not at all. I tend to talk to the customers a lot with each mechanical seal application and really get all the information. You want to know what they're pumping, temperatures, viscosities, cleaning. Sometimes the cleaning, you don't expect certain chemicals in there when you're cleaning, and you got to ask about that. Is there any chance for things to run dry? Is there a chance for air entrainment? There's a ton of questions to ask, and those are the things you need to know before you apply the seals. And the customers don't think about that.
And you don't always have those answers either, do they?
No, but as long as you get the answers from them or get most of the answers, you're usually in pretty good shape.
Yeah, and it seems to us anyway, looking at it from the manufacturer's perspective, that a pump in operation, if the end user were actually running it at that point all the time with that same viscosity and that same pressure condition, it would probably work great. But that's not necessarily the case in the real world.
No, there's plenty of upsets. I mean, chemicals come in with debris in the totes occasionally. Pumps run dry because they forget to check the tank levels, and our guys get talking and they forget that they're loading the tanker, and it just depends on the customer. You have to try and outthink what the customer might do.
That's heavy lifting right there for a salesperson.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. And it gets worse every year. The customers, operators will be on their phones more and forget about things. And pumps see some pretty adverse conditions these days, and that's why we're trying to put more controls and safeguards in every system.
Yeah.
But as long as you do that, I mean, pumps last a long time.
And if you can design some robust features into that pump and maybe not be running it at its best efficiency points all the time, if it can handle some of that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's frequent that oftentimes an engineer is given a set of criteria that they think they're supposed to shoot for, and there's times where that's completely different. I've had guys miss the mark by 20 to 1. And on the same pump, I think the pressure was 6 or 8 times what it was supposed to be. So, yeah, it just depends on the customer.
Yeah.
Good. And a lot of times it's a new process. They don't always know.
Yeah.
They're taking a stab in the dark and saying, we think we need this. They might need less. They might need more. Mm-hmm. And you just try and ask enough questions that hopefully you get the right design criteria up front.
And the more robust your technology, the more upsets, as you're suggesting.
The more it handles the
upsets.
Yep, so. Exactly.